Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Halloween rolling pin is probably one of the most versatile and fun kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, especially when the spooky season rolls around, allowing you to effortlessly imprint festive designs onto cookies, pies, and other baked goods, transforming ordinary treats into extraordinary Halloween-themed delights that are sure to impress your family and friends with their intricate patterns and charming aesthetic, making every baking session a delightful and memorable occasion. Number 5. Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin, designed for both professional bakers and home enthusiasts. Its sleek stainless steel construction ensures durability and a superior baking experience. Say goodbye to sticky dough and difficult cleaning. This rolling pin is non-stick, dishwasher safe, and incredibly easy to maintain, unlike traditional wooden ones. Its tapered design offers superior maneuverability and comfort, allowing you to feel the dough's thickness and apply the perfect pressure for flawless results every time. From pizzas and pastries to cookies and fondant, this multifunctional tool with etched measurements helps you achieve perfection in all your culinary endeavors. Chill it in the freezer to maintain dough temperature, ensuring consistent texture and preventing sticking, much like a marble slab but lighter. Proudly designed in Colorado, USA, each purchase includes a recipe ebook to inspire your baking journey. Enjoy a kid-friendly, non-stick baking experience. What we like? This rolling pin is incredibly easy to clean, being both non-stick and dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a low-maintenance baking tool that guarantees consistent results and can even be chilled for perfect dough, this is the one for you. Its etched measurements also make it a versatile choice for various dough types. What people say. No handles required, just angling down where your hands rest make this rolling pin a breeze to use. Easy to clean and lightweight. Pizza dough didn't stick at all. It was long enough for my largest pie crust and cinnamon roll doughs, had a smaller diameter so it'd roll over a surface area more often and evenly. Because it's metal, it really chills up in the fridge for those shortening crusts. The measurement feature makes it so easy to know my pie crust, pizza, dough ring, etc. is just the right size for the pan. No more guessing. Number 4. Muso Wood French Rolling Pin, 15.75 inch. Experience the classic French baking style with this beautifully crafted rolling pin. Its elegant tapered design ensures effortless dough handling. Made from solid European beech wood, this tool is built to last. It's strong, durable, and resistant to cracking for years of baking. Enjoy a flawless baking experience thanks to its triple hand sanded finish. The surface is so smooth, even natural wood knots feel seamless. At 15.7 inches, it's the perfect size for all your baking needs. Easily achieve the perfect dough thickness for pizzas, cookies, pies, and more. Cleanup is a breeze. Its non-stick surface and tapered ends mean you can simply rinse or wipe it clean and let it air dry. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, our friendly customer service team is ready to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? Experience the natural feel and superior durability of this beechwood rolling pin. Its exceptionally smooth, hand-sanded finish ensures no sticking and a pleasant tactile experience. If you prefer the classic touch of wood and value a robust, long-lasting tool for all your baking needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The rolling pin has a good weight to it and the engraving is deep and clear. It works beautifully and leaves a crisp, clear pattern on the dough. The wood is smooth and well finished, making it easy to handle and clean. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen 17-inch Marble Rolling Pin with Stand. Tired of struggling with tough dough? This rolling pin features 360 degrees bearings, allowing you to achieve even results with minimal effort. Its smooth, cooling marble surface is perfect for all your baking needs. Crafted from 100% polished marble, this rolling pin is built to last. Its unique natural beauty adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Unlike wood, it won't crack or warp over time. Enjoy a comfortable grip with its ergonomic beechwood handle, designed for ease of use. It also includes a convenient wooden stand to keep it securely in place when not in use. Say goodbye to sticking. This naturally non-stick roller requires less flour and cleans up easily. Simply wipe it with a damp cloth, and it's ready for your next baking adventure. From bread and pastries to pasta and cookies, this tool is perfect for all your dough creations. It's also a wonderful gift idea for any baking enthusiast. What we like. Achieve effortless rolling with this heavy marble pin, featuring a comfortable beechwood handle and a convenient stand. Its natural cooling properties and non-stick surface make working with dough a dream. If you desire a premium, stylish baking accessory that provides excellent control and easy cleanup, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The weight is perfect, heavy enough to roll dough smoothly without much effort, but still easy to handle. It makes baking so much easier, and the smooth surface doesn't stick to the dough. The heavy-duty marble is also noteworthy as it is strong and I don't have to push down when rolling bread dough. It's heavy and solid, but it's worth it if you bake a lot. It looks beautiful with the marble design and feels very high quality. The weight is perfect, heavy enough to roll dough smoothly without much effort, but still easy to handle. Number 2. Zulay Kitchen 15.9-inch Professional Stainless Steel Rolling Pin. Achieve perfectly rolled dough every time with this classic French rolling pin. Its smooth cylinder design ensures easy handling and consistent thickness for all your baking needs. Keep your dough from sticking by chilling this roller in the fridge. This non-stick surface prevents sticking without the need for excess flour, ensuring flaky pastries. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its handleless design. Simply wash it with soap and water or pop it in the dishwasher for quick and easy maintenance. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, this roller is built to last. Its lightweight, handle-free design allows for efficient dough rolling without taking up much space. We stand by the quality of our rolling pin with a lifetime guarantee. It's perfect for your home baking or as a thoughtful gift for any baker. What we like. This professional stainless steel rolling pin offers a lightweight yet durable solution for perfect dough. Its ability to be chilled makes it ideal for preventing sticking and keeping pastries flaky. If you're a baker who appreciates efficiency, easy cleaning, and consistent results without the weight, this tool is a must-have. What people say. The weight is perfect, heavy enough to roll dough smoothly without much effort, but still easy to handle. It makes baking so much easier, and the smooth surface doesn't stick to the dough. The heavy-duty marble is also noteworthy as it is strong and I don't have to push down when rolling bread dough. It's heavy and solid, but it's worth it if you bake a lot. It looks beautiful with the marble design and feels very high quality. The weight is perfect, heavy enough to roll dough smoothly without much effort, but still easy to handle. Number 1. Muso with Sapele French Rolling Pin. Experience the natural beauty and durability of our rolling pin, expertly crafted from high-quality sapele wood. Its surface is specially treated to resist moisture, ensuring safe and long-lasting use in your kitchen. Enjoy a non-stick baking experience with its smooth surface. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse or wipe with a damp cloth and dry. Regular oiling will keep it looking and performing its best. Each rolling pin is meticulously hand-polished 3 times and treated with food-safe mineral oil. This ensures a perfectly smooth finish, free from any rough spots or fibers, for an unparalleled user experience. Easily shape pizza dough, cookies, bread, fondant, pies, and more with this versatile tool. Its natural wood brings a touch of nature to your culinary creations. Measuring 15.7 inches, it's the ideal size for effortless maneuvering and convenient storage in any kitchen space. We are committed to providing excellent quality and service. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated team is here to help ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. Discover the unique qualities of this sapele wood rolling pin, treated for moisture resistance and hand-polished to perfection. It offers a smooth, natural feel and is designed for easy handling and cleaning. If you appreciate the subtle benefits of natural wood and seek a beautifully crafted, easy-to-use tool for your baking, this one stands out. What people say. The warm, beautifully colored wood is hard and non-absorbent, but with a silky feel. Even sticky pizza dough wasn't a problem with a light dusting of flour on my pin and silicone surface. Washed up easily and it dried right away after using to keep this beauty looking brand new. I love the smaller size of this rolling pin. And the wood is lovely. I use it often and it consistently does a great job. This one makes it so much easier to roll out my sourdough crackers really thin. It's also really pretty and nice quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.